Hey everybody, I just want to take the time right now to say thank you so much for supporting the Avril Lavigne Foundation this year. And because of your support, the foundation now has over 129,000 fans on Facebook and more than 61,000 followers on Twitter, which really helps us spread the word about the needs of the children that we support. I'm really looking forward to doing even more to support these children in 2012. So this year for the holidays, I would be so grateful if you would consider making a donation to the Avril Lavigne Foundation. And any level of support is very much appreciated and will help us design more great programming for kids with serious illness or disabilities. And as a special thank you to the first 50 people who support my holiday wish before December 31st, you will receive a personalized photo from me. So visit www.avrillavignefoundation.org/support. Thanks again, everybody, and happy holidays!